AI will not replace you, but a person using AI will. In case you guys haven't noticed, AI is everywhere and it's changing the game, especially when it comes to content creation and social media marketing. For example, AI is helping businesses analyze data, automate tasks, and measure ROI like never before. And you know what's even better? It's allowing companies to generate leads, increase sales, and build brand awareness like never before. And if you're still not using and taking advantage of AI, you're gonna be left behind. The truth about AI is that it's not gonna be that magic bullet that will give you overnight success. AI is powerful, but it's only as powerful as the person using it. So what's the secret of using AI to grow your business? Well, first, accept the change. Understand that it's not just about using the latest AI tools, but also about thinking in new ways and trying different approaches to marketing. And most importantly, be willing to adapt. This is what it takes to stay ahead of the game, you guys. The world is always changing, and if you're not willing to change too, you'll be left behind. Next, have a strategic long-term approach. Using AI in your business successfully requires a commitment to continuous learning, experimentation, and optimization. It's not about finding a quick solution. It's about slowly making your efforts better and better, and most importantly, embracing the power of data. AI is all about data-driven decision making, and if you're not using data to inform your decisions, you're not using AI to its full potential. So don't be fooled into thinking that AI isn't gonna impact your job or your business, because it will. But the good news is it's not about replacing you, it's about making your job and your business more efficient, more creative, and hopefully more profitable. So don't be afraid of AI, embrace it, learn how to use it to your advantage. And by the way, if you guys want to have access to all the AI tools that I will be mentioning in this course, make sure to click the link in the bio or description.